that I employ as a producer.
You can actually download this absolutely free. Awesome. Try to see the solutions and verify your answers.
Hello to all my dear students. My name is Mahima Banthia. I am a pass out of Delhi School of Economics and Shri Ram College of Commerce, and I am a faculty at EduSure School. This video is to help you understand the launch of our EcoTopper crash course for the year 2021. Now, getting into your dream institute is a dream, and getting into DSE was mine. And the feeling is unparalleled when you make it. And today I'm here to share with you how to do it in 3 months, how you can get into the top colleges of our country, which are ISI, DSE, JNU, IGIDR, and so many other. We are blessed to have so many great institutes teaching MA Economics these days. There's IIT now, there is IIFT, there is SMU, there is CDS, and so many others. We are blessed to have so many. And I'm sure together with our hard work and our rigorous course structure, you can be in one of the top institutes of the country in the next 6 months. Now let me talk about EduSure features. So EduSure for our EcoTopper crash course is hoping to create a hybrid model of education. Now in this system, bulk of your classes are going to be live classes. So it is going to be me and Sir, who is also highly qualified and is much loved by students, to teach you all the topics that you need to do. All the theory that you need to know will be done live in the live classes. We will teach you how we teach right now, like I'm talking to you. You can ask me your questions, we do polls, we do question answer in class, and so on. So we do theory in the class fully as is required to prepare you for your entrances. Then we solve the past 15 years of ISI, DSE, and almost all of JNU. Rigorously, everything from the year 2005 to 2020 will be solved in class. So you will have all the solutions for you with our bits of pieces of shortcuts and tricks. That you will have about 2,800 videos finally from us for you, out of which 800 will be theory videos and about 2,000 will be videos for questions that we have solved. Now, bulk of the classes, 60 to 70% of the classes would be live. Some of them will not be live. Some of the classes will be recorded lectures. So they are recordings of live interactions. So you get recorded lectures for some of our classes. So how do the recorded lectures work? So we will call you on Thursdays at 7 p.m. and discuss what you have to do for the week. So let's say we decide that this week production needs to be done. So we will go over the material for production, go over the sequence of things to be done. Then next week you come, you discuss what you learned, what you understood, what you did not understand. You do the doubts, you do the questions. If the topic needs to be explained again, we will do that. And then you discuss on what is to be done for the next week. Now, let me come to the weekly tests. What were the weekly tests? Now, weekly tests is something that we have introduced this year, and we are sure that it's going to be a game changer in your preparation. So every week, we are going to give you a test, a small revision test for 1 to 2 topics. It's going to be for 1 hour each, and it is just for your revision. So you have done the questions, you've done the theory, take a small test to see if you are ready to go to the next level or not. If you are performing badly in your weekly test, that means your basics are still not there. So you need to work harder. So let me start and show you how do we do this, how do we get there. So immediately once you start off, you will be shared this course schedule of EduSure. This will tell you how do we prepare, how do we finish our syllabus in the next 2-3 months. Which day what to do, which day what topic to do, how much time to devote to each topic is what is there in this course schedule. Now let me share with you the timings of our courses. So our classes are going to be twice or thrice a week depending on which batch you choose. You could come for the Tuesday batch, which is at 4 to 6 p.m. or the Saturday batch, which is the 10 to 12 a.m., 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Or you could, and you have to do either the Wednesday 4 to 6 or the Sunday 10 to 12. You have to do Thursday 7 to 8 p.m. and the fourth Saturday 1 to 3 p.m. and Sunday 1 to 3 p.m. Now potentially we could reduce this to just 3 days of classes, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, if you choose to take the weekend batch. Or you can distribute it across 5 days if that is how you're comfortable. So according to the class schedule, your classes will happen. There will be a WhatsApp group on which you will be sent the details to attend each class. How do we take our classes? So let's go over to our student portal to see how we take our classes. So this is the student portal that you will log into when you sign up to EduSure. You go to Access and you will get the student dashboard. Now this is something that we are very proud of. This is the ones. So this student portal is elearn.edusure.in. So in the student portal, the first was the detailed study plan, then are the theory and notes, and then the videos start. So you click on that and the video is going to open and you are going to start watching the video. So it is like attending a regular class. So you select the course that you would like to study. So let's say you want to study macro, which is what I teach. So if you want to study macro, what is the first thing that you get right here? What you will get, the first thing is again a detailed study plan for macroeconomics. So this is explaining to you your student portal, what are the chapters there, what are the different headings. So extra is for extra notes, forum is for discussions, and so on. We have recorded all our classes, so you never really miss anything. All our classes are very structured and we tell you which schedule to follow. So have a look here. So the first thing that you're supposed to look at is the notes and the questions of EduSure. So we just click here and the notes will open up. Then how do you attack each chapter? How do you tackle each chapter? First chapter, simplest, simple Keynesian model. So what are we to do? There is a set of theory that we have prepared for each topic. That document will be a PDF document which is uploaded on the site. So you click on that and you can open that document. Then you can see all the videos under the SKM, which are approximately 6. So you see all the videos one by one. Each video is going to be about 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes depending on the topic and the question that we are tackling. So you will watch the videos and then you will solve the questions according to the sequence given here. So in this case, this is the sequence that is to follow. Now for this topic, I've grouped the questions. So you could do questions which are similar to one another in one group. So that helps you in even solving the questions faster. Okay. Now let's take a look at our classes. So I'm going to play for you a sample class. Let's hear what some of our past students have to say about us. Take a look.
So if I can do it starting from absolute zero level with the help of EduSure, you can do it too.
And all the best. If I can do it, you can too. Thank you.